Oh yeah, special delivery Wednesday. Check out this big bag of right chop. What we got here? Come on. That is heavy. That is heavy. Fastened sink in matte black. It is going to be slick. So this will mount right there. Then the concrete counters will sit right on top of it. Can't wait, I'm getting excited. Alright, we're in the barn and we're getting ready to install a apron front sink into this base cabinet, and we'll just show you how we do it. So we've got this front panel that is built into the cabinet which has just got pocket screws, so we'll take those screws out and remove the panel. And we will put a plywood bottom in there for the sink to set on, and then we'll come back out, cut this panel, rip it down what it needs to be, and put it back in there and slide the sink in there. So here's the apron front sink. I have got 10 1/8 inches from top to bottom. So I measured down from the top of the cabinet 10 1/8, squared across, found my line, and we'll install some cleats on the sides and then a 3/4 inch plywood shelf across there to hold the sink. Cabinet's 36, so I'll find center, which is 18. My sink is 33 1/2. So 33 1/2 I will measure. Find the width of the sink. Mark that. And I don't think this panel is going to come out, so I think we're going to have to cut down and across the bottom. Here's a cleat. Got some GRK fasteners on there, and I'll just screw it to the side of the cabinet. We don't need these supports in there because they'll be in the way. I got the cleats in there. The shelf, Brent is putting some pocket holes in there so we can fasten it to the face of here. And I just outlined this short. I need 33.5, but I believe I came in at 1/8, 3/16 on each side, making a line. I need to be down 10 1/8, but my mark is at 9 and right at 10 shy, 9 15/16. So I'm gonna cut this, rough cut it with a jigsaw, and then I'll come back and put a flush cut bit on the router and just follow the profile there and make it nice and clean. So there's a shelf, got the pocket holes in there with the screws, Kregs. So I got these little 1/2-inch spacers I'm going to install right here to get to my length. Like I said, I'm going to rough cut this and then I'll use this and the shelf to guide my router bit. On my mark, I'm just going to take the knife and cut the grain of the wood just a little bit. That way when I'm cutting with the jigsaw it won't have any tear out, or if it does, hopefully it will stop at that line.
Dowels in there?
Huh?
Some dowels in there?
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I just rough cut it, and then we're gonna take the router, follow the contour right there with the flush bit. Huh?
You hit that crack socket or butt?
No, it started cracked. Let me go back and beat some of it off some. I trimmed it with the skill saw. I think I was taking out too much meat and that maple's kind of splintery, so it was wanting to go. Nice clean cut. And there it is. It's how you install an apron front sink. We'll come back in and cut out the plywood for the drain baskets. And I've got a guy coming to do some templating for some concrete countertops. So I'm excited about that.